next you substitute the value, that is v is equal to 4. So here you get d of 4 is equal to minimum of d of 4 comma 4 plus w of u and v, that is u value is 3 and v value is 4. So it will be minimum of infinity comma 4 plus, you have to find the value that a cost from node 3 to 4. So here if you see in the graph, from node 3 you have direct edge to 4 and the cost is 35. So you write here 35, the value of this you write it as 35. So you get infinity comma 39. So minimum is considered to be a number that is 39. You should not take infinity, instead you have to take 39. Okay, so now you have found all the values, that is d of 0, d of 1, d of 2 and d of 4. So here d of 0 you got as infinity, d of 1 as 14, d of 2 as infinity, d of 4 as 39. So now you have to, among all these 4 d of you have to select the minimum. So here the 14, that is d of 1 for vertex 1 and the value 14 you get minimum. So you write that value. So now the u value will be 1 and d of u will be 14. Now the next step, you select this vertex 1. Okay, so earlier you had selected the, initially it was 5, then you selected 3 which was minimum, and now from this calculated value you get to know that d of 1 is minimum. So you select vertex 1. Now again you have to follow the same steps. So out of 5, 3 and 1 you have to remove this and you have to write the remaining vertices. So the remaining vertices will be 0, 2 and 4. And now you have to find d of v value for 0, 2 and 4. So it will be d of 0, d of 2 and d of 4. And you apply the same formula, but thing is that you have to add it. Okay, for example I'll just tell you how this d of 2 comes. Okay, so now here u value is 1. Okay, u value is 1 and d of u value is 14. So it will be the formula will be, okay, it is d of 4 I'll calculate for this one. Okay, d of 4 equal to minimum of, that is d of v equal to minimum of d of v, that is d of 4 which is infinity, comma d of u. So the d of u value is, as you all know, it is 14 plus cost of u comma v, that is cost of 1. U value is 1 and v value is 4. So I have to find a direct edge from 1 to 4. So from the graph, just see here, what is the value of 1 to 4, that is value or you have to find the edge from node 1 to node 4. So you have here direct value, that is direct edge, that is 20. So here you write 14 plus 20. Okay, you will get 34. Same steps are followed, the earlier steps. Okay, now after calculating this, you get you have to find again the minimum, that is the minimum. Here you find out that vertex 2 is the minimum with value 29. So now here you get d of u value and d of u. So in the next step, before it was u value was 1 and d of u was 14. Now it will be the u value is 2 and d of u will be 29. So now you select vertex 2. Okay, after selecting vertex 2, again you have to follow the same steps. The remaining vertices, that is 0, 4, again you have to find d of 0 and d of 4. So after that again you have to apply the same formula. Then you get that first you get d for d of 0 you get 49 and for d of 4 you get 34. Okay, so from this you get again d of 4, that is vertex 4 as minimum, and you write that u value and v value. So it will be 4, 34, and next you select this 4, that is minimum, as the next vertex. Then the remaining one is 0. So then you find out this d of v, that is d of 0, you get 49, and that this will be the last step, that is 0, 49. And now you since it's the only vertex remaining, only value, you just write it here. Now all the vertices are visited. Okay, this is the end of the problem. Okay, so now here these are the values, these are the answers actually from source node. The d of u, the value is 4, from 1 it is 14, to 2 it is 29, 4 it is 34, and 0 it is what? I'll just tell you here. See, the shortest distance from source 5 to all other nodes is shown below. That is d of 0 is equal to 49, which means that the shortest distance from 5 to 0 is 49. Similarly, d of 1, the shortest distance from 5 to 1 is 14. Then 5 to 2 is 29. 5 to 3 is 4. 5 to 4 is 34 and 5 to 5 is 0. You can see here. Values 4, 49. Okay, d of 0 is 49, d of 4 is 34, d of 2 is 29, d of 1 is 14 and d of 3 is 4. So these are the minimum. See, there will be n number of paths, but you get only the minimum paths. Okay, this is about Digitras problem, which is very important, and this problem is asked for 8 to 10 marks for your final examinations. Okay, this is about the Digitras algorithm and Digitras problem. Thank you.